Welcome. Here is how to dispute an unauthorized Moniepoint POS transaction. Secure your account immediately. That is, you can change your login password and transaction authorization PIN right away to block further unauthorized access. Then, if your debit card was used, go to card section in your menu and select active card and tap on block. After that, gather the transaction details. Like, you need to locate the transaction in your history and write down the date, time, and exact amount, reference ID, and all necessary details. Locate every one of them in your history. Then report the incident to the fraud desk. That is, you have to send an email to frauddesk@moniepoint.com or submit a ticket through the in-app support chat. Provide the full transaction details as I stated earlier, that the charge was unauthorized. Then you need to follow up on the resolution. Monitor your email or support portal for updates. Don't forget, all the receipt approval communication must be kept handy, as high value friendly cases may require a police report to process a full recall. So you need every of the details to be well kept. Thank you for watching and stay safe.